Hi everyone, this is KJM Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will go to another reaction video, Binibining Anonymous, Diditakian. Should I say, a change of heart by Binibining Anonymous, a Barda edits na pinagbibidihan ni Barbie Forteza and David Licauco for sure for today's video. So I won't take any longer, let's all watch this. Mamaya na tayo tatalak. This is the first video na ginagawan ko ng reaction video sa Barda. Maya na tayo magtalak. May sasabihin ako sa inyo.
Mag-aasawa ka ba soon?
Oh, I watched this.
No.
Napaiyak ako dito.
Marami pa pong ano. Ngayon na-realize ko na marami pang dapat mangyari sa career ko. Parang gusto ko muna siya i-maximize.
True.
You're 27
Hindi kami nagmamadali.
When do you want to get married?
Actually, before, I wanted to get married mga 30, 29, ganon. But like right now, like with showbiz, kung ano yung tinatakbo ng career ko, parang siguro mga 34. I want to save up muna for my future family.
I think there's a mutual respect.
Cutie. Cutie.
We're workmates and we respect each other's, you know, like private lives and our work life. Kunwari may problema ako, tinutulungan niya ako, Tito Boy. Eh, since mahihain nga ako, siya yung parang, kaya man, ganon. So,
She's a type.
Yeah, she's a type talaga.
Galing.
She helps me a lot. Kaya, super grateful for Barbie talaga.
Napaka-supportive.
Super grateful for Barbie. Super grateful for Barbie.
Napaka-supportive talaga.
Yeah, she understands me a lot.
She does.
Ano pagkain natin? Wala na natin kayong pagkain.
Siya rin.
Of course, I understand her.
Wala na tayong pagkain.
Complete this.
Ubus
The
na.
best kind of love is...
The best kind of love is understanding and unconditional.
Eh, di ba sabi niya, Barbie understands me a lot? Di ba sabi niya?
Taken.
Taken. Wait.
In my last conversation
Hindi siya
with David,
confident.
sabi ko, alam mo David, napaka-blessed niyo ni Barbie because wala kayong itinatago sa inyong mga fans. Describe to me that friendship from your point of view.
The friendship that
That never
I've built.
disappeared.
I always say I've built. Kasi
Right.
nga, hindi naman siya, hindi siya right away na-click kami agad eh. At first, hindi ako okay with him.
Talaga?
Yeah, kasi lagi siyang late, Tito Boy.
Oo nga, naalala
Lagi
ko.
siyang late.
Tama. Pero pati yan,
siyang
nagamot
late.
mo, sabi nga niya, oo.
From time to time.
From time to time.
Masasabi kong slowly but surely, yung gano'n, yung talagang dinahan-dahan namin na, kasi nga naman, very surprising and very unexpected yung love team namin na maging thankfully successful.
Right.
So biglang agad-agad, everyday na kaming magkasama, everyday na kaming magkatrabaho, everyday nakakakilig na yung mga eksena namin, mga ginagawa namin. So for two people na hindi naman close,
Romantic. Oh, right.
hindi nag-uusap, 'di ba? Biglang ganon, mahirap po 'yun. Tapos magkaiba pa kayo ng work ethics, may magkaiba kayo ng routine sa trabaho. So mahirap siya talaga kasi magkaiba po kami ni David.
You know,
Kidding aside, feeling ko timing has nothing to do with the success of our love team kasi nga unexpected po siya. Siguro luck. There you go.
okay.
Luck.
Mas luck
Ibang
po
interview din
na
to kay Barbie,
we were,
no?
That's why it's a blessing.
Hindi ko pa ito
is,
napanood.
yeah.
Ako ay equate kasi luck with blessing.
Yes.
Kaya huwag mong pabayaan, huwag mong
Sana,
sayangin.
yes. Ang swerte lang talaga naming dalawa to have been part of a very important series na napalaki ng impact. Tapos doon nag-pick up yung love team namin.
That's magic.
Yeah.
But congratulations really on the tandem. Congratulations on the friendships. Kaya naniniwala ako na blessing dahil hindi ito lagi nangyayari.
Ay, opo. Hindi
Hindi.
talaga. Kasi yung iba nga po talagang ilang beses pang
Ang hirap bumuo ng love team,
para makabuo ng chemistry.
Ang
Hindi
hirap.
po
Ang hirap bumuo.
Yes, you'll meet 3 kinds of love in your life. Parang the first one, parang you'll feel all the butterflies in your stomach, ganyan yung first love. And then yung second love will teach you all the lessons you need to learn in love. And then the third one is the
Is
love na magpaparamdam sa'yo how love should feel like.
I love
Advice ko
that.
for David.
Ang galing mo.
In any aspect of your life in general, whether it be business or a
Personal.
relationship or showbiz, I hope you won't lose yourself. in it.
Oh.
Yung like, hindi ka maratel to juggle all those things. Kasi malalaki lahat yun eh. Malalaking bagay yun lahat sa buhay niya. So,
Alam na
yun
alam
lang.
ni Barbie,
Kailangan
Well, ikaw ba
alam mo
naman
yung
tumagal
priorities
sa
mo,
relationship
set your
ng
priorities straight,
ilang years?
and then maybe you can also discipline the relationship. Since you're the man in the relationship, you can discipline it. And even your partner, siguro, mas matuturuan mo siya ng maayos, diba? Para mas mag-work yung relationship.
Ikaw tuturo kay David
Na he
kasi
lets
hindi siya
his
yung karelasyon
woman
mo.
shine, kahit not with him.
Charis!
Ganda nun. Kumbaga sa korte, I have no further questions.
Wala na. Case closed na po ito.
Case closed.
Opo.
Pero napapag-usapan na ang kasal.
Opo.
Ay,
Mabilis umiyak,
oh my
mabilis
God. Napapag-usapan na pala ang kasal. For today's video, no?
Mabilis kiligin.
David
Napapag-usapan na pala ang kasal.
What's the difference?
What's the difference? Oh my God!
Nabigla ako doon. Favorite teleserye na ginawa?
Na ginawa, Maria Clara, diba?
Favorite character na nagampanan?
Billy Benjola. Character naman na talagang minahal ko at in-embrace ko mula simula hanggang dulo. Hanggang ngayon dala ko. And feeling ko,
Si Clyde?
hindi ko malilimutan. Si Clyde talaga.
Si Clyde.
Si Clyde para sa akin, hindi ko siya nilayo kay Barbie din eh. Sa totoong ugali ko. So, yung iyak ko sa pilot episode, kasi nung pilot episode, yung very first episode, pinakita lahat yung struggles ni Clyde sa real world, diba? Parang na-incorporate ko rin yung personal life ko, kaya I feel like very close to my heart din talaga yung character.
Willing makatrabaho ang ex?
Hindi.
Ay,
Ideal
hindi.
age to get married?
28.
Ideal age to get
Ayaw
married?
niya.
35, 36.
Ideal...
Ay, hello. Ang galing-galing ni talaga, ni Binibining Anonymous mag-compile.
Random na bagay. Feelings. In terms of emotions. So, mas grabe
matured na daw siya.
Ganun, paano pre? Paano pare? Ganun.
Paano?
Kasi yung hug na Tito Boy, ganun.
Paano sabi ni Tito Boy?
Hug namin, ganito lang. Paano? Ganyan lang.
Ngayon?
Ngayon talagang... Fame lang.
Alam mo yung personality nila, sabi ko sa inyo, hindi si Dustin yung ang nanliligaw. Tinan mo ngayon, in-love at saka iba. Sabi sa inyo, hindi si Dustin Yu. Naniwala na kayo. Hindi nga si Dustin Yu eh. Charis. Ngayon, in-love siya kay Ivana for today's video. Halatang in-love siya. Sa totoo lang, tinamaan talaga si Dustin Yu kay Ivana. You cannot deny the fact. Ay, grabe yung kiss. Grabe pala yung kiss, no? Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am?
I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who
Yung pamangkin niya. Mahilig pala sila sa baby. Alam mo, mag-baby na kayo. Charis, minadali. Bakit naman minadali? Hindi natin mamadaliin.
Naniniwala ako sa destiny. Not just in love, but in life. as well. Parang kung ano talaga yung nakatadhana para sa'yo, yun yung mangyayari.
Tinan mo, nakikinig talaga siya. Sige na. Kikinig talaga siya.
Subjective siya eh. So, for example, sa business, for example, I think cause and effect. Sabihin natin kung sipagan mo, edi makuha mo yung fruits of your labor. So,
Fruits of your
dog,
labor.
Hindi ka, naniniwala ka ba sa destiny? Ganun.
I think so. Oo.
Eh,
Kasi
sus-
syempre yung personality na yun eh. Di ba?
Meeting the right person at the right place and time.
Right, yeah, especially in time. Yes.
Yes. Nikki Ko. Ay, si Barbie na break na siya.
I think taken by myself.
Ay, dito single na. Single na siya.
I think for me, it's the best time to really work on myself. Again, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, physically.
Ideal age to get married.
28.
Ideal age to get married.
28. Parang baby.
5 or 6?
Ideal
Naanak ko, malaki na. Ay, ang laki na. The last time, ang pinag ko. Laki na lang. Laki na lang. Laki na. Gusto ko na ng baby eh. Ready ka na ba? Ready na. Asa ka na. Sige, sige.
You like it? You like Tita? Like Tita acting? Why? It's good? Is Tita good? Mm-hmm.
Posible na siya. Ay! Tapos na! Nabitin naman ako. There you go guys. It is our for today's video, which is A Change of Heart by Barbie Forteza and David Di Campo. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!